Amazon data scraping.
OpenURL activity is used to open the Amazon website.
Create data table is used to extracted the field I.E, name, price, rating. After that, use get element activity to search the product. Get element activity is used to get the name of the product search. Assign activity is used to assign name of product. Get element activity is used to get the price of product. Assign activity is used to assign price of product. Get element activity is used to get the rating of product. Assign activity is used to assign rating of product. After that, use add data row activity to get the field data. Write line activity is used to print output on console. After that, use write Excel activity to get scraped data to the file. Thank you.